everybody, what is up? Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. In this episode, we're going to be covering EKSA and this amazing discount clearance sale they're having. This is just 3 products. We're going to dive into a bunch. Let's go. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and as I mentioned, today we're going to be checking out EKSA and their clearance sale currently happening. So we're going to cover 3 products in this video and show you them physically and unbox them, and then cover some of the other discounts that are running across their website and across their product pages. But before we do it, don't forget, wherever you're watching, follow us, leave a comment, and let us know your thoughts. But let's unbox these products.
So we have a bundle here by EKSA. We have the EM200 customizable gaming mouse, the RGB 7.1 headset stand, and the Air Joy ultralight at only 160 grams gaming headset. So first thing is first, let's hit the gaming mouse. We've been using some EKSA products around here like crazy lately, and they are always awesome products. User manual, then we have the mouse wrapped in its protective cover, a changeable top for the faceplate. Let's go all black with this one. So you take the mouse and you raise it up, and it's got magnets that will hold it down. Inside we have weights. You can take a weight to make the mouse lighter or use them all to keep them heavy. I prefer a heavy mouse, so I keep them in there. And then you can take the other piece, put it down, and there we go. We have a black and red mouse. On the bottom it is white, red cable, USB. And that's what you get with the EM200 customizable gaming mouse. Okay, now let's check out the RGB headset stand. I'm really excited to be checking this out. I have been needing a nice headset stand to hold my EKSA headset. And I can't think of one any better than EKSA's RGB headset stand. Alright, on the top we have a Ziploc bag with some paperwork and a USB to USB-C cable. We also have a little Phillips screwdriver and some small screws. We have the base plate right here. On the front we have a USB port. You have your headset mic, your headphones, and a regular mic port. On the back we have a USB-C. On the top we have a USB. The branding right here, that looks really nice. We have a touch sensor right here, it looks like. That is really cool. Then we have the top part of the headset stand that you will use the mounting screws for to screw down and get set up. So let's put some screws in this really quick, and we can use it to hold up the Air Joy when we unbox it. As for the screws and putting the top piece on the headset stand, it's fairly simple. You just want to line up the USB port with the hole in the stand, and you will see the screw holes will line up. It will only go one way, so just get them on there like that. You can drop the screws right down in there and take the little screwdriver and screw it on down and get it started. Then you can take the other ones and get them all started, and once you have them all started, you will go ahead and tighten them down. You don't want to go ahead and tighten down one without making sure they're all snug first. That could cause things to get offset. Now it's time to get the Air Joy out. This is an ultralight gaming headset. Comes in at 160 grams only. That's ultralight. It's awesome. You can wear it for long periods of time without it being a burden. It's also got the Konami code right there. Isn't that really cool? Right off the top, wrapped in some bubble wrap, We have the EKSA headset itself. The mic is adjustable. We have a cable tie on the cable. You know how I love cable ties. But this headset is so light. Feels really good. It's adjustable. Both sides. Lettering right there for right, R for right, and L for left. Right here we have the mute button as well as a volume knob. And this is the Air Joy ultra lightweight gaming headset. And underneath the packaging we have the user manual as well as a cable adapter. So you can use this cable with your PlayStation, Xbox, anything that uses the 3-ring 3.5mm jack, or you can use this adapter and use it on a PC port for a microphone and a headphone cable. Or you can use it with your PC as the headphone jack and the microphone jack. And that is everything out of the box on the Air Joy.
The EM200 is a gaming mouse that's wired. It's a USB mice with 13 RGB backlights, 6 adjustable DPI, up to 12,000 DPI, and it has tunable weights inside of this ergonomic mouse, 7 programmable buttons, and it's compatible with PC and Mac and comes in black. Next up is the Air Joy. That's right, we've covered the Air Joy in the past, but right now, it's on sale. The EKSA gaming headset with a microphone is compatible with most console systems, so Xbox, PS4, and PS5, and PC. This ultralight computer headset comes with a mic, over-the-ear headphones with stereo sound for your laptop or even Switch games. And if you're gonna have a headset, then you need a headset stand. That's right, EKSA has a really cool LED headset stand. And as I mentioned, it's on sale. So the EKSA gaming headphone headset stand, it's aluminum or aluminium RGB headphone stand holder, and it comes with a USB charger. That's right, there's USB plugs built into this. It has 7.1 surround sound built in and a 3.5mm jack. So it's perfect for gamers, and it's a great gift for any desktop and #1 gaming accessories. But EKSA is doing a huge clearance sale, and not on just those 3 products, but on a huge list of products such as the E3000 Blue. It is EKSA's PS4 gaming headset, works on Xbox One and other consoles. It comes with a noise cancelling microphone and RGB lights. The E3D Air Joy in white is a gaming headset with a microphone that also works on consoles. The EM200 in white is their ergonomic, amazing gaming mouse that has RGB lights in it. The EM500 White is the EKSA lightweight gaming mouse of choice. The H12E is EKSA's headset with a microphone that's compatible with laptops. It's wired USB computer headphone and comes with environmental noise cancellation. The W1 RGB headset stand is EKSA's gaming headset stand. It's aluminum RGB headphone stand, and it comes with a USB charger. The GT1 Cobra. The GT1 Cobra is a wireless gaming earbuds, and they're currently on sale. So EKSA has done it again. They have so many amazing products right now on sale during this clearance sale right now. So make sure you guys check all the links below to go check out EKSA and get these discounts. Some of them are 40% off, so now's the time, people. But we want to give a huge shout out to EKSA for sponsoring this video and sending these products and telling us about this sale to share with you guys. Let us know in the comments below wherever you're watching, and that's right, we'll see you guys in the next review. Thanks for watching.